Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making another amazing recipe. I'll be showing you how to make chicken wings in two different ways. So first it's gonna be honey garlic and the second one is gonna be barbecue chicken wings. They're so soft and delicious. I hope you guys are going to enjoy it. Let's get into it. So for the seasoning, I'm gonna be using ginger, garlic and herbs, salt, black pepper, paprika, chicken spice, oil, and of course the clean chicken. Place it on a baking rack and leave a little bit of space in between. So turn your oven to 450 degrees and bake your chicken for about 45 minutes. And in the meantime, we'll be making the honey garlic sauce. So for that, you'll need honey, soy sauce, ginger, garlic, and chili powder. So turn your chicken so we can cook on the other side and put it back into the oven and let's cook for about 10 minutes and it's gonna be ready to mix our sauces. So the wings are ready to put into the sauce and look at that. Crispy, you can actually eat it the way it is. So separate it into two bowls. So one bowl we can mix the honey garlic sauce and the other one we can mix the barbecue sauce, and then we'll mix everything well. Put it back into the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes and it's gonna be ready to plate. And there you have it, guys. Look at that. They look super delicious and amazing, and they are actually very easy to make. So do try at home and let me know how it goes. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and God bless you all, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye bye.